Morning, guys. It is about 10 to 7 on Sunday morning, and behind me is a load of recycled asphalt that was just brought to me by one of our drivers who has worked out a little trade with me. I'm going to do some sawmilling for him, and in exchange, he is going to bring me loads of recycled asphalt all day for my new driveway to get it finished off, which is awesome. It's not rained much yet, so hopefully I can get this driveway put to bed before the winter comes. Recycled asphalt is awesome driveway material for several reasons. One is it's quieter than gravel when you're driving on it. The tar in the rock deadens the sound. And probably the best thing is this stuff will compact back to almost road grade asphalt. It just becomes solid after just regular use and the heat of the sun. I think being late August, there's still enough time for the sun to bake this stuff in and leave me with a really nice drivable surface. Well, I've basically knocked down the first 2 loads that have come. I'm really happy with how it's turning out. There's a lot of fines in this material, which is really going to help it set up with the upper 90-degree weather that we have forecast for this week. I'm hoping to get 2 more loads, maybe 3. It's about a 2-hour round, maybe a little longer. So in 8 hours, I'm hoping for 4. But he showed up at 6 with the first load, so we might see 5 total today. I'll keep my fingers crossed. Well guys, it was an awesome day. I got 4 loads graded out. I've got a 5th on the ground. I really want to thank Bill, our truck driver, for driving the Super for me today. I think I got the better end of the deal. I'm gonna do some milling for him, but he spent probably close to 11 hours today driving for me. So big thanks to him. Thanks to my boss for giving me this material. I'm gonna fuel the truck up, but yeah, good deal all the way around. Well, guys, as always, I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned. We got more coming up.